What's up guys, welcome to the video, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to install this creepy Halloween decoration that I happened to get. It looks very cool. It also comes with all the instructions you need to set it up, so let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is basically just unravel this right here and just open it up, so let's get to that first. So I got this unravel. You kind of need to just open this up. I also see that it has this little mechanism to turn on and off. It does require, it says 3 AAA batteries, just to let y'all guys know. So I have this unravel, and let's see what's next. So the second thing I need to do is take this part that I happen to get in the box right here, and we're gonna basically put it in the inside like this. So let me get straight into that. So it comes with these little tubes in the inside. Y'all see right here? I just basically put them on each one on each side, and this is how it looks. So now that I got that part finished, let's go to the next step. So my next step is I need to take out these rods, and basically I'm gonna insert this inside the black thing that I just insert inside of the scary decoration. So let's get straight into that. So basically, you see this right here. I'll take these, put them in the inside. I noticed this one, they have the little clicks. See this right here? It little clicks in, basically like this. So that one clicked in. Now let's do the next one. Alright, that one clicked in. We got both of those clicked in. And you kind of see how it looks right now. It's starting to build up a little bit. So the next thing I'm going to do is take these pair of shorts, and I'm gonna stick the rods through here as well. So I got the rods stuck in through. It's pretty long like this. Then all you'll do is just take the pair of shorts, kind of like to resemble legs, I guess. And we just gonna stick it through here. So I got this always stuck through. And the cool thing about this part right here, is you can kind of just put the pants over it like a waist. And basically this is how it looks. Now it comes with these pair of shoes right here. I take this and just stick it at the bottom. And now I happen to have the whole thing pretty much installed, so let me put the batteries in and turn it on. I have one last step I need to do, and that is to put the balloon on, so let's do that right now. So basically with the balloon, I'll stick it through his hand. Let me kind of give y'all a close up what I mean. If you look at his hand, it's a little circle right here. So I take the balloon, I basically stick it inside the hand. Be careful though, because it does come with a slip through I gotta stick in there. And voila, this is how it looks once it's finished. Let me point the camera down a little bit so y'all guys can kind of see it. So this is how it looks. It's pretty tall. It also has an arm you can move around. Kind of just to work with it how you want it. Maybe like that. And that's pretty cool. So now let's put the batteries in and let's see how it looks. Well, here goes the moment of truth, y'all. I finally installed the batteries. Let's turn it on and let's see. It looks creepy, right? Dang, I ain't gonna lie, that's pretty scary. I'm not gonna lie, that is pretty creepy, y'all. But yeah, thank y'all for watching the video. I finally got it installed for you guys. As you guys can see. Let me turn it off. And I also want to mention that if you want to put this outside, it do comes with stakes. You can nail it to the ground through the shoes. But I kind of just wanted to show y'all the finished product. And that's basically how you install this creepy Halloween decoration. Appreciate y'all for watching the video.